So over the past years, I've scaled multiple businesses just because I took the decision to post on YouTube. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do the same, how you can post videos on YouTube, even with low views, and make thousands of dollars from YouTube just by posting videos for the right audience. So to understand, first of all, whom you creating videos for, you should understand in what kind of sphere you are creating videos. So most of the needs of humans on this planet where we are together on are about health, wealth, or relationships. So when your offer is any of these niches, the likelihood is very high that your prospects looking for solutions on YouTube. And this is very good because people who are willing to sit down and watch a video for 10 to 20 minutes and are willing to learn something to solve their problems are way more valuable to you and your business than people who are dumb scrolling on Instagram and sitting on the toilet and trying to get distracted for a couple of seconds. And therefore, we create videos on YouTube. And these videos on YouTube solve a certain pain point. And we create videos to solve this pain point, to help them with one problem of a bigger chain when they're trying to reach a certain goal. And then we build a funnel structure underneath it to give them even more what they want. So to give you an example, the first big YouTube channel I scaled, or I helped to scale, was in the fitness niche. And we scaled this channel over 100,000 followers, and we made fitness videos. It's actually a different face, so don't think that I made any kind of fitness videos in front of the camera. I was behind the camera, and we scaled this YouTube channel, like I said, over 100,000 followers. And at the back end, we built the funnel structure, and the offer was a mentorship program and a weekly course where they had access to nutrition plans and what they should eat and even more content so they can train and lose even more weight and get fitter. And it was all about health. So we built the funnel structure and offered them the right thing. This is actually not what we did here. We didn't do any calendar bookings in this brand, but we did a paid mentorship. And in different brands where we, for example, have a done with you or done for you offer in the AI space. For example, I have one brand which is growing very, very good on YouTube at the moment, where we offer to go into companies and offer AI solutions. And there we get calendar bookings. So they come to us and tell us, hey, we have this problem in our company, and they trust us because they have watched our videos on YouTube. So we have videos on YouTube where we explain very specific problems, and they don't have that many views. So we have videos which have like, 100, 200, 400, up to 3,000 views, explaining in very specific scenarios for one very, very specific niche problems. And they trust us so much because they spent a good amount of time with us. So they are coming to us and booking calendar calls into our calendar and coming towards these meetings and asking for help. And this is a very, very nice standpoint, because now you don't have this kind of you doing cold outreach and you want something from the client. No, you appear on their screen on YouTube and you help them for free solving the problem, and you building trust. And there's actually a study from Google which is saying that you need 7 hours of consuming, or that you need to be with the person 7 hours kind of in video content form or text form whatsoever, but obviously video content form is the easiest. Try to do this on Instagram. So when you're doing this on YouTube and you're posting these videos in very, very specific scenarios where you're explaining certain things to solve problems, then you are able to build the trust, get them into a funnel, and let them book a calendar booking into your calendar and let them speak with you and solve their problems. You don't need to be famous to make a lot of money from YouTube. I posted my first YouTube videos, and in the next 3 weeks, I had like 100, 200, 300 views maybe per video. And I made thousands of euros from it because I got calendar bookings from people which trusted me, which watched a lot of videos of mine. And then I gave them even another video where I explained one specific problem which I solved for my audience. And then they booked a calendar appointment into my calendar, and I sold them the right thing which helped them in their scenario. So when you have a business and you're helping people, which I hope you do, then the likelihood that you can reach your audience on YouTube is very, very high. Obviously, when you do certain things, even though when I think about when you help plumbers do certain things, do Google Ads, for example, you do Google Ads. I know one guy, he's doing very, very well on Google Ads as well, explaining how to do Google Ads for plumbers, and then they see the hustle behind it and they just hire him. The likelihood is very, very high that you can reach your audience on YouTube, you can create content, build a lot of trust, and let them book calendar bookings into your calendar and offer them the right thing and sell it to them through this. If you want to have a very specific breakdown of this whole thing, how we are getting calls booked on a weekly basis through YouTube, then book a call into my calendar, because I'm going to help you do exactly this thing. So either we see each other in a call or we're going to see each other in the next video. Bye-bye.